Alright guys, let me turn this down just a little bit so we won't get copyright notification. Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make my laptop from stopping like if you have one of these like laptops will cause like when it gets hot cause a random shutdown. So this one right here did some cleaning on the ventilation, but when I see that vents right there, and like if you have one of these laptops, like when the fan gets loud and it gets really hot, like just wanted to shut off immediately. After when I power it on and shuts off, keep shutting it off, but try to enter BIOS and I try to enter cool settings, it wouldn't help. But in order to clean the laptop vent, what you do is you have to take the laptop apart in order to get access to the ventilation. But you can see the fan spinning. I did mine already. So what I did is get my Q-tips and just clean around the edges of that fan. So just be careful not to be careful because of the wires and everything. Yep, see the actual fan spinning. I got this one cleaned, this is a good start. Did a deep cleaning on it. It's best. It's really the best if you do deep cleaning on laptop fans. Just get all of that dust off of it, and Q-tips for the fan and all of that. And after that, just get your Q-tips that get all of that dust around the inside and the outside to the intake vent. And once after that, then you put the laptop back on. There's some screws right there. A lot of screws, and there's screws on the keyboard right there. Which I did it on this laptop here. So you can see how clean it is. How clean this ventilation is. Hold on. You can zoom in, that way you can see the fan spinning or not. See that fan spinning? I don't know if you can see or not. Hear that fan? Alright guys, that's the easy way of how to clean the laptop vent. Thanks a lot, bye. See that fan spinning, which you can hardly even see it. Alright, bye.